It's time to open our self-check review tool and make the corrections and edits as needed. Back into the GruntWorx job status, you remember we click Edit in Tool for our client. This brings up our default web browser. First, you are presented with an instructional pop-up providing steps to get the best results needed. From here, choose Populate if you want to import your client's tax return with form data, or Organize to only receive back an organized PDF. Note, Populate also includes the organization. From there, select a trades product, either details or summary. You can enter in your own totals with the trade summary selection or have the individual transactions extracted with the trade details. You can also leave as no trades. In this example, we'll use Populate with Trade Summary. After making your selections, the Self-Verify tool briefly reloads, and the tool has a classification section where all your pages are displayed as thumbnails. There will be a colored highlight around pages that are grouped together. On the right is the extracted data from supported forms. Simply check the extracted data on each page and make any corrections needed. Now, this can include deleting erroneously extracted data, adding data that was missed, or editing data that was extracted incorrectly. Use this Data Field Viewer on the right to verify everything matches your source PDFs. You can add more state and localities to a W-2 when needed. Use the table at the top of the tool to edit. Need to make a change here? No problem. Click on the field and either type in the correction or use autofill to highlight and select the data off the image. You can also rotate pages if needed, ignore duplicate pages, and fix brokerages and K1 grouping. Always remember, if you need additional detail of these topics and step-by-step help, you can refer to the GruntWorx CORE user manual and quick start guide that we provide to you on our website. Now for trade summary, simply tab to the next field and use autofill to enter the amounts. Right-click on the data you want in the field and select the amount to populate that field. Finally, when you're done reviewing, open the Job Actions menu in the toolbar. The Job Action menu offers the ability to change the job to organize, as well as change your trades product selection. When you're finished, choose Review Complete, Save and Upload Job to finalize all your changes and edits. And now, we're finished editing data in the tool. In our next video, we'll go over how to download and export your finalized files using GruntWorx CORE.